kids! I know that you're excited to learn again. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. Sherwin read 632 pages during his summer reading program. In order to reach his goal of 950 pages, how many pages does he need to read? Okay, so we will subtract 632 from 950. 950 minus 632. Okay, so we are going to borrow. 0 will become 10 and 5 will become 4. So 10 minus 2 equals 8. 4 minus 3 equals 1 and 9 minus 6 equals 3. So this is the final answer. 318 is the number of pages that he needs to read in order for him to reach his goal of reading 950 pages. Okay, that's all for today. See you next time, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and leave your comments below. Goodbye!